your glory as the moon shines in the sky. May I reflect your glory both day and night, on the mountain and in the valley. May I hear your voice on the mountain and